My precious fans of the beautiful game, I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. In the world of football, we know there are certain clubs that hold a special place in the heart of their fans. These clubs become a family with coach, players, supporters, and all bonded together by a shared passion. One such club is the mighty Mamelodi Sundowns in South Africa currently under the managerial guidance of Miguel Cardoso have reportedly hit the brakes on contact talks with the veteran midfielder Themba Zwane, the 35 years old affectional known as Mshishi, who has been out of action for 5 months due to serious injury sustained during South Africa's AFCON qualifier against Congo Brazzaville in October. Zwane underwent surgery and is still working towards full recovery. While the club values experience and leadership, they are said to be taking a wait and see approach before offering a new deal. An insider close to the situation shared that the technical team want to see Zwane return full fitness and prove he can still make a significant impact before any contact decision are made. This development cast a shadow for uncertainty on Zwane's future at the club as fans eagerly await his turn to the pitch. And this is what I would like to share with you on Themba Mshishi Zwane injuries in Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club. Do you have any comment or suggestion about this? Please write a little bit on the box below. But remember, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe to Smart Brain so that you will never miss breaking news, transfer update, prediction, as well as fixtures on the present season of 2024-2025 the South Africa Premier Division. May Almighty God bless you all.